Chocolate clutch and flywheel part 2. Right guys, let's get on with this one now. Let's get this banged back in there. So we've changed the slave. There's nothing wrong with it, but we're going to change it. Makes sense why you got the gearbox out. Take to put it all back together and not start leaking or not bleed up or something silly. So we're going to change it anyway. So we've got the new flywheel on, we've got the new clutch plate in. There is the mistake that I was on about earlier. So I was saying that you don't generally lose a lot of oil out of these when you pull the drive shafts, but as I was trying to pull the gearbox on top of the transmission jack, it tipped over, and because then obviously I've tipped all the oil out of the gearbox. So bit of a pain in the ass, but ain't nothing we can't overcome. So we're going to get that cleaned up, get the gearbox in, as you can see. Right, so when we do these, when I break the circuit for the clutch pedal here, I push the clutch pedal down just to stop it dripping everything out, and it did. That held it quite nicely, so that's a handy little tip there guys. So when you come back to bleed it, all you've got to do is connect the pipe, bleed it up a little bit, and hopefully the job is a good one. So as you can see there, everything's come back together nicely, got the steering back together, so I'm just going to go lock to lock, lock to lock, lock to lock, and a few more lock to locks, just to make sure that the steering system is bled up properly and completely full of fluid. You can all just say, what a great place to put it. Let's put it in there. Why? Why? Why not put it up the top where you can reach it? It's not a pain in the backside to change, fill, or anything else. So obviously guys, getting on to bleeding the clutch, you need to make sure that the reservoir is full. You see there's just one little pipe that runs off through to the bulkhead there from the reservoir. You really can't see it there, but there is a little black plastic nipple that you can twist. We like twisting nipples, so you can then put your pipe on and bleed it. And all I've done literally is put my pipe on the end of that into a screen wash bottle. Then I just need to finish getting the gearbox oil back in. Job's a good one, so we're going to get this one sent, and there's my handy little oil pump. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like and follow.